back. Today we're going to be going over our piloting LED replacement bulb for the Honda RUCKUS. These are going to replace your factory bulbs. These bulbs are 7,000 lumens, so it's going to be super bright. People are definitely going to be able to see you. When you get the box from us, just going to slide off like this. You're going to have, it's very easy. You're going to have the bulb, the ballast, and the clip that's going to click right into your factory clip. So this is what you're going to have to do. It's going to be a very quick video, just so you know. Back up the camera a minute. There we go. So on the back of your headlights, you're going to have these rubber guards. They're going to look like so. This one's been cut off. Right here at the nipple you can see. So yours are going to look just like this. You're going to have that big lip right there. So you're going to take a knife, you're just going to cut it straight down until it comes off and looks like so. You can just go ahead and flip it over like back to how it was. You're going to take your factory headlight, there's a little spring clip here that keeps it in place. Unlock it, pull your factory bulb out. On this piloting bulb here, you just turn it quarter turn to the left. This part's going to slide right out. You are going to place this in, lock it just like you did with the factory bulb. Take your guard here, you're going to slide it over so that you see that little blue ring. Take your LED bulb, slide in. There's two little grooves that's going to slide into. And just like that, it's done. That's it. It's installed. All you have to do is just plug it in. Couldn't be any easier than that. Check it out on the website. It's the piloting LED bulb for the Honda RUCKUS. Thanks for watching, guys.